Hello, this is a Wonder if I should microwave this. Today I will be microwaving a remote. It's a VCR remote. And with every experiment, Sharon is getting dirtier. So, set up my camera stand right here. Put it on. You can see me right here and my camera. That's pretty much all you can see. I'm going to set it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 50 seconds, actually. No, 3, actually. Freaking A. Okay, I'll set it for 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So, 250, and start. Yeah, you can see it. Holy crap. Whoa. This is actually the remote. Holy crap. There's no battery in it, so turn on the fan because it's smelling like crazy. Something exploded. I don't know what it was. The masks don't do anything. Whoa! Holy crap. I'm gonna wait. Let's let it burn for a couple minutes. This thing's absolutely hot. Burn. I'm gonna get my gloves on. I'm gonna see if we got this. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off because it's smoking like a mother. Turn it back on. Turn the fan on. Okay. Inspect the damage. Remove my camera stand. Open it up. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Well, tons of smoke. Not a good idea. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Wow. Amazing. This is probably the best experiment I've ever done. That is amazing. I don't think anything ever is done to anything like this. So I'm going to take it out with my gloves, safety first. And I said I put my mask on, but I didn't have enough time. Holy freaking crap. This is amazing. Okay, I'm going to put it next to the fan. So, completely charred. I'm going to try to inspect and see where it exploded. See the chip right there. Okay, so basically, if you want a pretty good explosion, not much of an explosion, but pretty pimped out light show, you could microwave this to cure some of your boredom. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Comment and subscribe. This is a very fake script. Hold on, I'm gonna just let you inspect this real quick. So, I should have my gloves on right now. Thank you for watching, comment, and subscribe. It'll just turn off whenever because it will run out of memory. So, if it stops abruptly, it's not my fault. So here's outer coating of metal. Oh my gosh. That's where it exploded, I'm guessing. There was no batteries. The chip is charred right here. It is complete. It's all ashes right now, pretty much. So if you want a good explosion, go ahead and try this. But beware, it does get your microwave all dirty. I'll try to fit this in. It does get your